Welcome back to this video. If you have been using your Taobao Chinese shopping app for a very long time, and likewise your JD shopping app or JD.com shopping app for a very long time, or you are new to both apps, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how you can buy on JD.com shopping app, and at the same time how you can buy on Taobao shopping app without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first one I want to use right here is Taobao shopping app. Go ahead and open up your Taobao shopping app. Just like so. Having opened up your Taobao shopping app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and search for products that you want to buy. However, there are so many ways by which you can use to search for products on Taobao. One of the easy ways to search for products on Taobao is to click on the search right here. Go ahead and type the name of the product you are looking for right here. Alternatively, you can click on each category right here. So if you click on this category, you see new set of products in this category. If you click on this here, this is another set of category. You can go on and check different category of different products on Taobao. Alternatively, you can make use of this camera icon right here, which allows you to upload product picture sample, and you are going to see a similar result. Or better still, you can scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see different products in these sections right here. After you are able to source for product, next thing you want to do is to add the product to cart. I've already added a product I want to buy in Taobao to cart to make this tutorial short. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to open my cart. So all the products you have in your cart is going to be found right here. Then from here, you can select anyone you want to pay for or anyone you want to buy from the store in Taobao. So with that being said, let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, JD.com, iDoFish or Shein Chinese shopping app, Alibaba or AliExpress, Pinduoduo, 1688 or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's proceed. So next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and pay for this particular product right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on here to select the product. Having select the product you want to buy, go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. Just like so. So from the checkout right here, scroll down, continue to scroll down, and then until you get to means of payment right here. As at the time of making this video, there are about 5 different means of payment in Taobao. However, in this tutorial, I'm making use of my WeChat payment right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and simply click on here to proceed with payments. Then allow WeChat Pay to connect. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and enter payment password to complete the payment. Just like so. Payment done, successful right here. You can see a paid notification from Winston Pay. Lastly, go ahead and click on back to vendor right here. Just like so. You can see a proof of payment right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to go back. The next thing I'm going to do is to simply go ahead and click on here to go to my dashboard. On getting to dashboard, the product we just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So you have it right here. It's that simple. Next thing we want to do is to access from my Taobao right here and go ahead and proceed to JD.com or JD shopping app right here. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my JD shopping app. So having opened up your JD shopping app, the same way you search for product on Taobao is the same way you can search for product on JD.China. on JD Shopping app. After you are able to search for product, then go ahead and proceed to your cart right here in JD Shopping app. Just like so. So all the products you have in cart is going to be shown right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and select the one you want to buy. So I'm going to buy this particular one right here. So I'm going to select it. Then having selected, at this point here, I need to select the size I want for this particular product. I want size 28 right here. Abby? 28. Next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. The next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on here. Having selected the product, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. Just like so. So from the checkout right here, review everything. Just like so, you can see size 28, one pieces right here. Next thing we want to do is to scroll down right here and choose our means of payment. So at the time of making this video, JD.com has a lot of different means of payment. However, you can click on here to see more means of payment in JD, just like what you see right here. But in this tutorial, I'm using my WeChat Pay. For that, make sure you select your means of payment, then go ahead and click on here to proceed with payment. I'm paying the sum of 64.60 yuan to purchase this particular shoe from JD Shopping app right here. Then I'll go ahead and click on pay right here to proceed with the payment, then enter my payment password. Just like so, payment done successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on back to vendor. Then here you go. You can see proof of payment right here. Then I'll go ahead and click on here to go back. And go back. And by the time I refresh my profile right here, the product we just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So here we have it. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to source and ship products from China using JD Shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, JD.com, IDFIS, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.